Okay, here's the usual checklist video that we have for the final exam. So first of all, the final exam is August 12th, and it's going to be the same length essentially, maybe a little bit longer, but the same length essentially as the midterm exams. So you're going to have 2 hours to take it. The start time is somewhere between 9:30 and 11. So for example, if you start at the end of the start time, 11 a.m., you have till 1 p.m. to finish. All right, so same thing that we've done before. Okay, next, you should know that the final exam is going to be comprehensive. What I would recommend that you do is you take a look at your 3 midterm exams, look at the topics that are covered, especially the problem types, because I'm going to pull problem types from the midterms. All right, so that helps you narrow down the studying a little bit. All right, make sure you know how to do each problem type on each of the 3 midterms, and you should be in pretty good shape for the final. Okay, the process that we're going to use is the same as exams 2 and 3. So you're going to go to Canvas, download the exam, print it if you can, and I'll send out an answer sheet beforehand so that you can print that if you want. Actually, I hope that you can. If you can print that, go ahead and print it. If you can't print it, use it as a template, and the important thing about that is to get the page numbers right. Okay, so if I have a 7-page template, you need to make a 7-page template. All right, so if you try to put 2 problems on 1 page, for example, it messes things up in GradeScope. Okay, so from there, you go to the Zoom room and, the usual steps, turn off your microphone, check the chat. As soon as you come into the Zoom room, you should check the chat, because if there's any kind of exam clarifications, I'll make that in the chat. Okay, step 4, no Matlab. We're not going to use Matlab for the final, but you're going to need to use a calculator. Okay, you can print all the reading assignments like we did before and use them for the exam for the the multiple choice questions. Those should be helpful. Okay, on all the other midterms, I'll let you have 1 sheet of notes. This time you can have 2 sheets of notes. Okay, and so those are the main things. Good luck. Email me if you have any questions or if you want some clarifications about exam solutions, that sort of thing. I'm available.